Good afternoon, Rick. Colin here with Techout, and Samsung is rolling out a new update to One UI Home for the Galaxy S25 series of devices. So on my S25 Ultra here, we now have the new update. Now I did sideload this; it was not available yet in the store, so I did sideload this from the APK, but it's version 16.0.02.1, and this just is a kind of bug fix and performance improvement update. There's really no new features or anything like that to speak of, but it is noticeably smoother. The home screen is a lot smoother with the animations and a lot more fluid. Now, of course, I am using a Good Lock to adjust my animations. I do have the custom animations set up here using Home Up on the Good Lock app, which I do have a video of, but this is running the custom animations down here. If I can find the correct menu that I want to go to. Where is it? I forget which one it is under. Home screen gesture animation tuning. So we're using the dynamic setting here. I will put it back on classic. Actually, I'll just turn this off entirely and then go back here. So you can kind of see they're a little bit slower here than they are when using Good Lock, but they are smoother than the previous build. So this does improve the performance a little bit. But of course, if you want to increase the animation speed overall, you can do that by using the Home Up module in Good Lock. So just wanting you to know that update is rolling out. So make sure you check the Galaxy store for it, or you can just go to the About page and Home Settings. And if it is available for your device, it will pop up there. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.